Well, hello world, and welcome back to another video for IPFS. In this video, I will show you how to publish IPFS objects to your PeerID, your namespace or your web address on the IPFS network. So the first thing we'll do is we will open up Orion. Once we have Orion open, then the first thing we can take a look at is our PeerID. Now, this is the ID that you will share with friends or anyone else that you wish to direct towards your web space. Okay, let's go ahead and close that down. So, what I want to do is to see which object is currently published to my namespace. So I'll copy my PeerID. I can go to Resolve IPNS. Paste your PeerID, and it will give you back an IPFS object. So there we can see it, ZKU28R, which is this movies folder. So let's go ahead and see what does our namespace look like. So when we go to the browser, this is currently what my IPFS namespace looks like. And inside there are some movies. And now we want to go ahead and change this. So I'll leave it open so we can see the change for later. The next thing I want to do is to publish this Orion node object. So I right click and publish. So now inside this object there are many files. There are two websites, each with their own HTML files, CSS files, fonts, all kinds of JavaScript. So they have a lot of individual IPFS objects, but we don't need to worry about any of that. IPFS will just give us the main folder hash, and from there we can browse down into the subdirectories, and if we do it in the browser, then Firefox will read the HTML file and load it up to display the website. Publishing can sometimes take a while, so just be patient. Once again, I'd like to remind people to not publish any information that's sensitive that you do not want other people to know. Anyone can download the things you publish to IPFS. If you wish to add something special, then encrypt it first, but I will add a whole explanation on that in another video. So now we have published the Orion node folder to our IPFS PeerID, our namespace. So if we go ahead and click our bookmark, which we set up, now it says Orion node and not movies. And once I open that, it will show me these two templates. I can click on them, and there we go. Beautiful, responsive websites that you can customize with very minimal HTML and CSS experience. I've only been studying for about 2 weeks. And here's another lovely template I found. This will definitely be one of the ones I use soon. Alright, and there you have it. We changed the IPFS object that was published to our namespace. In this way, you can direct people to your node, to your IPNS address, and they can see which content you have published to your address. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like, subscribe, hit the like button, and keep an eye out for more videos on IPFS.